it's me, Allie from bakingamoment.com. At this time of year, I'm all about easy treats that don't require a long time in the oven. It's hot and I'm trying to stay cool. These s'mores bars are super simple to make and they only need a light toasting in the oven. As I'm sure we all know, a s'more is a treat made famous by Girl Scouts. Basically just a sandwich with graham crackers on the outside, milk chocolate, and toasted marshmallows in the middle. I love them all year round, but especially in the summer. My kids and I sometimes like to build a fire pit outside and we'll toast the marshmallows, and it's just a summertime tradition for us. But this is even easier. No campfire required. The base of these bars is graham cracker crust. To a large bowl, add graham cracker crumbs, brown sugar, a little cinnamon, and a pinch of kosher salt. Stir these together, just a quick stir to get them combined. Now pour in the melted butter. Fold everything together until the melted butter is evenly distributed. Tip this graham cracker mixture into a pan. Press it into the bottom, into every corner and edge, nice and flat. I like to use the bottom of a measuring cup for this step. It just keeps my hands a little bit cleaner and it makes it nice and even. Now for the chocolate layer. It's just a couple of bags of milk chocolate chips. Scatter them evenly over the graham cracker base. Now it's time for the marshmallows. Arrange them in an even layer over the chocolate. To get them toasted, just place them under the broiler for a couple of minutes. They'll puff up and turn golden brown, but don't turn your back. The broiler works very quickly and you don't want the marshmallows to burn. Stay close by and keep a close watch. Allow these to cool a little bit and then cut them into bars. Here's a pro tip. Spray the blade of your knife with some non-stick spray. It makes cutting the bars way easier. I hope you and your family enjoy these s'mores bars as much as me and my boys do. It's quickly becoming a new favorite. If you like baking and cooking, or if you just like watching food videos, then be sure to hit like and subscribe so that you can be notified every time I come out with a new one.